Imagine you're chilling outside of your house and suddenly an email pops in saying, "We need to look at the questionnaires." And you're left wondering, what? Hello everyone and welcome back to the Site Seeker, and today we are looking at some of the questionnaires used in screening dry eye disease. A questionnaire is a research instrument consisting of series of questions to gather information from respondents. The questionnaire are employed in eye care to screen individuals for diagnosis of dry eye or in clinical practice to assess the effects of treatment or to grade disease severity. Since there is no gold standard test for the diagnosis of dry eye, various questionnaires have been developed to assess the epidemiology, severity, visual function, impact on routine activities, and response to treatment in dry eye. These questionnaires are a useful set of tools in diagnosing dry eye because of variabilities in symptoms of dry eye disease. The Ocular Surface Disease Index is one of the most frequently used questionnaire in clinical setting and in research studies to assess the severity of dry eye disease. This questionnaire includes a set of 12 questions divided into 3 sections providing information about the symptoms, visual function, and the effect of environmental conditions on these symptoms. The severity of symptoms can be graded on a scale of 0 to 100 and can be further classified into various dry eye categories. Due to its psychometric properties, Ocular Surface Disease Index has proved its validity and reliability in diagnosing the severity of dry eye disease. The McMoney's Dry Eye Questionnaire is one of the earliest forms of questionnaires used for the screening of dry eye disease with very high sensitivity and specificity. It consists of a set of 12 questions. These include questions about patient's age, current use of contact lenses, previous treatment of dry eyes, dry eye symptoms, sensitivity to environmental factors, medications, systemic conditions, and dryness of mucosal membranes. McMoney's Dry Eye Questionnaire has been reported to correlate strongly with the symptoms and diagnostic tests done for screening dry eye disease. Dry Eye Questionnaire and Contact Lens Dry Eye Questionnaire is composed of 21 questions and assesses symptoms and bothersomeness. It includes categories on prevalence, frequency, diurnal severity, and intrusiveness of symptoms, and is mainly used as an instrument for clinical studies and epidemiological research. National Eye Institute Visual Function Questionnaire. The VFQ-25 is a reliable and valid 25-item version of the 51-item National Eye Institute Visual Function Questionnaire. It is especially useful in settings such as clinical trials where interview length is a critical consideration. Apart from the above-mentioned questionnaires, there are several others like Women's Health Study Questionnaire, Salisbury Eye Evaluation Questionnaire, Impact of Dry Eye on Everyday Life, and the list goes on. All of these questionnaires vary in length and intended use but gives us critical information about the severity of dry eye disease. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and stay tuned for more.